Isn't it funny how certain things you would never eat growing up has turned out to be one of your favorite things as a grown adult? Make some Jamaican black cake with me. Jamaican black cake is a rich molasses spice cake filled with drunken dried fruits. It was invented by the Romans, and the British took over and changed the ingredients and called it the British plum pudding. But somehow Caribbean folks got a hold of it, and we tweaked it and we changed things and made it our way for the better. It is a part of Christmas festivities throughout the Caribbean. For many Caribbean immigrants, it wouldn't be a Christmas without black cake. So here it is. So first you must mix your sugar and your butter. I remember growing up, our hands would get so tired because we had to mix this by hand. So make sure you take out your butter a few hours before you start so that it's softened. And I have all of the ingredients linked in the comments so you can follow my exact recipe. I promise you won't regret it. So meanwhile your butter and sugar is mixing, you're going to puree your fruits. After that, you're going to crack your 12 eggs. Make sure you add lemon juice to your eggs to cut the rawness. After that, you're going to put your eggs in the butter and sugar mixture, and you're going to mix that until it is smooth and until it looks exactly like this. After that, you're going to add your flour. Make sure you're mixing it 1 cup at a time to make sure it is blending in smoothly. Then you're going to add in the rest of the ingredients, which I did off camera: baking powder, nutmeg, sugar, vanilla extract, almond paste, your fruits, your wine, and your rum. You're going to bake it on 350 degrees for about 2 hours. After you take it out of the oven, let it cool, then pour a little rum and a little wine on top, and then it should look like this. This was my take on Jamaican black cake, something that my mom has implemented in me since I've been small and something I would never forget. Thank you.